Welcome to the Employment Support Service. We are here to help you find work. Can you tell me about your situation?
छ महिना अघि आएको शरणार्थी देशमा ट्याक्सी चालक अलि अङ्ग्रेजी तर सिडी लेख्न सकिन्न
I can help with that. First, I'll assist you with creating a resume free of charge. Then let's also discuss obtaining an Australian driver's license. Do you have a license from your home country?
हो 10 वर्षको अनुभव तर अस्ट्रेलियामा चल्दैन सुने
As a refugee, you can use your home country license for 12 months. During that time, take driving lessons and sit the Australian test. I can refer you to a free driving program.
ट्याक्सी बाहेक अरू विकल्प बढाउन चाहन्छु
Of course. Delivery drivers, warehouse workers, and aged care workers are all in high demand. Your people skills would also be valuable in care work and customer service. There are also work experience programs available.
अङ्ग्रेजी अझ राम्रो गर्नुपर्छ काम गर्दै पढ्न सकिन्छ
Yes, there are evening and weekend English classes. There's also a workplace English program that teaches the language used in specific industries. Both are free.
कहिलेदेखि काम सुरु
Let's finish your resume this week. Next week, you can start applying for jobs. I'll also arrange a mock interview to practice your English and build confidence.
धेरै धन्यवाद। अस्ट्रेलिया आएपछि पहिलो पटक आशा देखियो।